What time is it? It's time for Gabby's World! Yay!
Hi guys, I'm doing another video. We're gonna do Ryan's World. I know you have seen the video and some of you don't. So I'm gonna be opening the toys, these toys, and maybe we can get this one or this one or cowboy one. This is my favorite, and this one or this one, because I know he loves gummies, and this one. So let's try if we can get like something that it's like your favorite here. Let's see. Ah! Come on. Gotta be quiet. I got it. Don't go in the video. There we go. And when you like open the big things with the chocolate, it looks like this. And then I'm gonna pop it. Pop it. Looks like a squishy. And looks like we got the cat. Let's get that to the side. We got the cat. And it's so squishy. Bing, bing, bing. Because this is the cat. I don't know if it's your guy's favorite. And it's from the other world. There's like a land and it has it, but not this cat. Woo! So squishy. And you can make a ball with it. Wee, wee. And you can see the water through it because it's water. And I'm going to put this back inside. I can smell salsa. I can smell it. And I'm going to put this in here. And I'll see you on the next video. And I hope you can subscribe my video. And please comment down below what's your favorite squishy of Ryan. Bye-bye.